Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna and welcome. Last week I posted a video about how I decorated my home for Easter. If you happen to miss that video, I can post the link above and then you can check it out later. In that video, I shared with you how I decorated my dining room, but on the other side of the room, what you haven't seen is this row of windows. There's Roman shades on those windows. I bought them years ago and now they're getting kind of crooked. Some of the strings are broken and they need replaced. It's very unattractive. So today we're gonna fix that. And also underneath the window was a cabinet that was really small and outdated. I found a full-size credenza that's so much more beautiful and functional. And inside that credenza, I'm going to show you how I organize it, where I use these clear organizers that are absolutely life-changing. So today is a mix of practical and pretty, so come along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Last October, I was so excited to score this Our House solid wood credenza on Facebook Marketplace. It still wasn't cheap, but it was a fraction of what it was new. And we got so lucky because just as we were bringing it in, my sister and brother-in-law just happened to be riding by on their bikes when we were unloading it and they jumped in and helped. I was so grateful because earlier I had loaded it into the van and it was not light. This has so much more storage than the previous one. This old Christmas video was the only footage I could find of the old one. It was a vintage piece that was part of a set, which I actually loved and I was really sad to see it go. But I was in my mid-century modern era and all these were original antiques. They weren't very sturdy and we wanted something nicer and larger. So we got this new table, which was also Facebook Marketplace fine. It was exactly what we needed. It's a lot sturdier and larger and perfect for our large family. We actually still have the china cabinet, but I have big plans here. Right now this white cabinet holds all our charging devices, the china cabinet holds the formal wear, and the stand here on the other side is just here to balance it out, and I feel like there's too much going on. I really want to make one big wall built-in. My Pinterest board is full of ideas, so hopefully I could do that someday, so stay tuned for that. But today we're focusing on the other side of the room, and here are the old bamboo shades that are in disrepair. Not only are they crooked when they're closed, but also they don't shut correctly. I'm done with ladder cord blinds. I always struggle with the strings breaking. Also the fact that they were wooden, they collected dust, and they were really hard to keep clean. I was not sad to see them go. A few years ago, I switched to zebra fabric shades in my living room and I absolutely loved them. So when Joydeco reached out to me asking me to collaborate, I was so excited. They have so many different types of window treatments that are custom made and they're so much less than what I paid for my living room blinds. And I love how extremely customizable they are down to the fraction of an inch for the width or the height. There's also so many different options whether you want inside mounts or outside mounts, color preferences, different linings, cord styles, and best of all, Joydeco makes very high quality products that are affordable and very budget friendly too. As you can see of this screenshot from these zebra shades, this whole makeover was under $350. And since I loved my other zebra blinds, that's exactly what I chose again. I love the light filtering dual shade. The thing I love the most about these is the fact of how easy they are to install. They came with all the hardware I needed, so I just took down the old ones. And since my window is only 1 inch deep and you need 2 inches for an inside mount, I modified these using the additional outside mounting bracket they came with and I was able to make it work. It's so easy because you just snap it on the blind and then I just marked with a pen where it would go. That would be a perfect fit. And then I used the existing holes to put the screws in because the screws were a little bit thicker, so it worked out absolutely perfectly. I love the flexibility of this type of mount. You can get the brackets exactly where you want them and make sure they're nice and straight before you add the blind. That way you're not struggling holding everything at one time. And then when you put the blind in, they just snap in place. And then you also still have the flexibility of being able to move it left or right, depending on what you need, just to make sure they're nice and even. And it takes a little bit of pressure to get this snapped in place, but I like that fact because that way I know they're nice and secure and they're not gonna fall off. So here you can get a little sneak peek of what I mean by light filtering dual shade. These zebra stripes allow you to have partial or full coverage depending on what you need. So if you want just a little bit of privacy but you still want to let light in, you can just line up the stripes that way. Or if you want complete privacy, you can just block them all the way and you can have that as well. This entire project was done in less than 2 hours, and that was with me taking time to film it all too. I think I could have very easily done this in an hour. It was such a simple fix and it made such a big impact. And I couldn't believe how much more light came in now after removing those old Roman shades. Before I open all of them, let's move back down to the credenza and I'll show you how I organized the inside of it. It has so much more space than my last one did, which I absolutely love. And I found these clear acrylic stackable organizers at Target. I love that they have little slide out pull out drawers, which is really nice. That way you can see everything that you have. The bottom shelf was inset a little bit and so the slide out doors wouldn't work, so I had to cut some strips of wood. That way it would prop it up, and then I also used a shelf liner just to keep things from sliding around. I got so lucky with how perfectly these organizers worked in this space. It is so incredibly convenient to have all my office supplies and everyday household tools perfectly organized and easy to grab whenever I need them. And the design of the slide out drawers is so convenient, that way I can see exactly what I need and then I don't have to take the whole thing out. I also love how they're stackable and they fit so tight together so there's no wasted space. I also want to show you this battery organizer. I've had it for years and it's one of the best things I've ever purchased. Moving on to the other side, I have all my cookbooks on the top shelf with extra notepads and file folders. Then I got these cutout bins for all the large items, that way I can reach in and grab without having to take all the bins out. I love how it keeps everything organized, but there's still lots of space. To fix up some nicks and scratches, I use my wood repair pens. Also, my kids like to sit at my desk and listen to music, and then they take my office chair and they hit it on the windowsill and the cabinet. The windowsill's been repeated many times. I decided just to hit it with these wood wax pens. I like how it fills in the chips as well as not only coloring it. And since we've had this cabinet over 6 months, the corner's gotten beat up from the chair as well. I love how many different colors are in the wood repair pen kit, that way I could find the exact match. Also, I did a little bit of research because I wanted to get some protection, and so I found some clear bumper tape. That way I could keep it from getting damaged further. I wanted to be really minimal so you didn't even realize it was there, and I found this one that's only 1/2 inch. It's supposed to not damage the paint when it's removed too. Super easy, you just peel off the sticky back and then press it on. I was really happy with the results, and unless you knew it was there, you would not even notice it. I don't like having my desk here in the dining room, but I spend so much time at my desk and I don't want to be separated from my family on a different floor. I need to be able to manage my house while still working at all times. Next, I quickly hit the windows with the squeegee. I have to wash these front windows about 4 times a year. They get so filthy from the road, and since they're north facing, I feel like the weather makes them dirty too. Plus, I just love having clean windows. I like to have as much light come into my house as possible. We got our windows replaced several years ago, and I love how easy these double hung windows are to clean from the inside. If you're enjoying this video, I would love for you to be able to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm passionate about sharing budget-friendly ideas because we all love saving money, and I hope this inspires you to make everyday life a little bit more beautiful and enjoyable. I had a gingham pattern table runner here, but it was too short and it didn't cover all the way. So I found one on Amazon that was a little bit longer. You're supposed to have about 6 inches overhang on either side. Then I added my decorations back in, and now it's time for the final reveal. As you can see, here's what I mean about how zebra blinds are so versatile. You can not only easily adjust them to any length, but you can also choose how much light you let in by aligning the stripes. Here I have them partially open so you can let in a little bit of daylight. I like to be able to see out from inside as well. Joydeco also has cordless options too if you like that. I chose corded just because that's always been my preference. Having complete privacy is perfect for nighttime when it's much more visible with the lights on. I also love how absolutely smooth and convenient these are to use, and the clean, simple look of them just blend right into my window frames. And I'm always the first one up in the morning. I love the ritual of turning on a few lamps, making some coffee, and pulling up the blinds to let the morning light in before everyone else wakes up. I'm so happy with these blinds. If you need new window treatments, I can't recommend these enough. I'm excited to share that Joydeco is offering my viewers 20% off using my code REIMAGINE20. Just click the link below in the description and then use the code at checkout and it'll get you even more savings. I love the look of soft filtered light coming through even when the shades are closed. This is great if you have furniture that you want to protect but you still want to let some daylight through. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's incredible how just a few intentional updates can really transform a whole room. Not only does it look nicer, but it's just so much more functional and works well with our lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy this other recent video that I made where I organized my entire closet and I shared 10 tips with you on how to maintain a clean closet. So you can check that video out over here. And in the meantime, if you like this video, I would love for you to be able to give it a like, comment below what was your favorite part, and also consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. So with that, I'll see you next time. Bye!